Stay Gurubhi Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. This 10th standard math, State Board chapter 7, exercise 7.4, 5th sum. Sinu's house as an overhead tank. Overhead tank is in a shape of a cylinder, cylinder. This is filled up pumping a water from a sump. Sump is in a cuboid, that is underground tank, cuboid shape. Underground tank, cuboid shape. Okay, so the sump has 2 meter length and 1.5 meter breadth and 1 meter height. The overhead tank has its radius 6 centimeter. Overhead tank has the radius 6 centimeter, and this is 60 centimeter overhead tank. 60 centimeter radius and height 105 centimeter. Find the volume of water left in the sump. Find the volume of water left in the sump after the overhead tank has been completely filled with water from the sump, which has been full initially. See the cuboidal tank, underground sump, cuboidal tank. What is the measurement they have given? 2 meter, 1.5 meter and 1 meter, but the overhead tank, it is in a shape of a cylinder. That measurement is given in a centimeter, so you can convert it everything into centimeter. It is easy for you. So length equal to 2 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter you can convert it into centimeter. Length of the cuboidal tank equal to 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter. What about the width? Width is nothing but a breadth. Okay, breadth equal to 1.5 meter. That is 1.5 into 100. So 150 centimeter. 150 centimeter. Next, height equal to 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Volume of a what? Volume of a cuboidal tank, that is nothing but a sump. Volume of cuboidal tank, it's nothing but a sum. It's equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height, cubic units, that is centimeter cube. So volume equal to 150 into 200 into length 200 into breadth 150 into, it is in a multiplication, height 100. So how much? 30 lakhs. It is nothing but 30 lakh centimeter cube. 30 lakhs centimeter cube. Next we are going to see the overhead cylindrical tank. Overhead tank is nothing but a cylindrical tank. Overhead cylindrical tank. Overhead cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank radius equal to 60 centimeter and height equal to 105 centimeter. Height equal to 105 centimeter. Volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for volume of a cylinder? Volume of cylindrical tank. Volume of cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank equal to, volume of cylindrical tank equal to volume of the cylinder, formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h, cubic units. So you can write centimeter cube. Pi r square h, centimeter cube. So it gives, see here, pi 22 by 7 into r square is 60 square. 60 into 105, 60 into 60 into 105, 7 ones are 7 ones are 7, balance 3, 7 fives are 35. So 22 into 3600 into 15, 3600 into 15, you multiply and check the values. See here, 11 lakhs 88,000 centimeter cube, 11 lakhs 88,000 centimeter cube. So you should find out volume of water left, volume of water, remaining water, that is left in the sum, remaining water left in the sum equal to volume of cuboidal tank, volume of cuboidal tank minus volume of cuboidal tank minus volume of cylindrical tank, that is overhead tank, volume of cuboidal tank minus volume of cylindrical tank, volume of cuboidal tank minus volume of cylindrical tank. So volume of cuboidal tank is nothing but what? 30 lakhs minus 11 lakhs 88,000. 11 lakhs 88,000. You can subtract these two values. You are getting the values 18 lakhs 12,000 centimeter cube. If you want to convert it into liter, means 10,000 centimeter cube equal to 10,000 meter cube equal to 1 liter. See, 1 liter equal to 1000 meter cube. If you want to convert into liter, means you can convert into liter. 1000 meter cube equal to 1 liter. See the sixth sum. The internal and external diameter of a hollow hemispherical shell are 6 cm and 10 cm respectively. If it is melted and recast into solid cylinder. See the hollow hemispherical shell. So inner diameter and outer diameter is this hemispherical shell. See, hemispherical shell are melted and recast into a solid cylindrical. So volume of hollow hemispherical shell is equal to volume of a cylinder. Find the height of the cylinder. See, hollow hemisphere. See, this is like this. Hollow hemisphere. Internal diameter equal to what? 6 centimeter. That is small d equal to 6 centimeter. Internal radius small r equal to 6 by 2. 6 by 2, 3 centimeter. Then external diameter. Given as external diameter. External diameter capital D equal to 10 centimeter. External radius equal to capital R equal to 10 by 2 5 centimeter. 10 by 2 5 centimeter. Volume of hemispherical, that is volume of hemispherical. Find the height of the cylinder. Volume of hemispherical. Volume of hollow hemisphere. hollow hemisphere. Hemisphere equal to, what is the formula? Volume of hollow hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 into pi into capital R cube minus capital R cube minus small r cube. Capital R cube minus small r cube. Cubic unit, so you can write centimeter cube. And write centimeter cube. Volume of hollow hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube centimeter cube. So it gives 2 by 3 into pi into, what is the external radius? External radius is 5. That is 5 cube minus 3 cube centimeter cube. It gives 2 by 3 into pi into 5 cube is nothing but 125. 125 minus 27 centimeter cube. 125 minus 27 is 98. 2 by 3 into pi into 98. So what is the value for this? 98 into 2, 196 pi by 3 centimeter cube. 196 pi by 3 centimeter cube. See the cylinder, because it recast into that hollow hemisphere, it recast, it melted into a, change the shape of cylinder. So cylinder. Cylinder, what is the radius, diameter of the cylinder? Diameter equal to, cylinder diameter equal to 14 centimeter. Diameter equal to 14 centimeter. Radius equal to 7 centimeter, and height, you should find out the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Height equal to h centimeter. That hollow hemisphere is recast, is melted into what? Cylinder. Then you have to find out the value of height of the cylinder. See, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h cubic units. Pi r square h cubic units. Pi r square h cubic units. Pi into radius is r square. Radius is 7 square into h. So it is given hollow hemisphere is melted and cast into a solid cylinder. So volume of cylinder equal to volume of hollow hemisphere. Volume of hollow hemisphere. Volume of cylinder equal to volume of hollow hemisphere. Volume of cylinder equal to, so pi r square h, pi into 7 into 7 into h equal to volume of hollow hemisphere. What is the value we found it already? 196 by 3. 196 by 3. So pi get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. 7 sevens are 49. See here, h equal to 196 by 7 into 7 into 3. 196 by 7 into 7 into 3. So 7 ones are, 7 twos are 14. Balance 5. 7 eights are 56. 7 ones are 7 fours are. H equal to 4 by 3. You divide that 4 by 3. What is the value you are getting? 1.33 meter. So height of cylinder. Height of cylinder equal to height of cylinder. Height of cylinder equal to 1.33 meter. 1.33 meter. 1.33. Height of cylinder equal to 1.33 meter. Height of cylinder equal to 1.33 meter. See the seventh sum. A solid sphere of radius 6 cm is melted into a Hollow cylinder. Solid sphere is melted into a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means external radius is there and internal radius is also there. See, if the external radius of the base of cylinder is 5 centimeter and height is also given as 32 centimeter, should find out the thickness. Find the thickness of the cylinder. R. The external radius capital R is given, so you should find out the value of small r. See here, solid sphere. Solid sphere. Solid sphere. What is the radius of the solid sphere? 6 centimeter. Radius of solid sphere equal to 6 centimeter. Radius of solid sphere equal to 6 centimeter. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. What is the formula for volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it gives 4 by 3 into. It gives 4 by 3 into pi r cube cubic units, that is centimeter cube, into what is r value? R is 6. 6 into 6, that is 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 into 36. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 36 is 288 pi centimeter cube. 288 pi centimeter cube. Then we move on to hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. What are the values they have given? See, external radius. External radius is capital R. External radius. External radius is capital R. Capital R equal to what? External radius capital R equal to 5 centimeter. We should find out the thickness. Thickness, what is the formula for thickness? Thickness equal to external radius minus internal radius. T equal to capital R minus small r. So you should find out the value of small r. Internal radius. Internal radius. Internal radius small r. Internal radius small r. Should find out the value. Then height is also given. Height equal to 32 centimeter. Height equal to 32 centimeter. See, volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder equal to, what is the formula? Volume of hollow cylinder equal to pi capital R square minus pi capital R square minus small r square into h. So what is the value of pi into capital R? External radius is what? 5 centimeter. So 5 square minus r square into height is 32 centimeter. So 32 pi into 25 minus r square centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. See, given that solid sphere is melted to form a hollow cylinder. So volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder equal to volume of hollow cylinder equal to volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Volume of hollow cylinder equal to volume of sphere. Volume of hollow cylinder is nothing but what? 32 pi into 25 minus r square equal to 288 pi. Pi get cancelled. 25 minus r square equal to 288 by 32. 288 by 32. You cancel the term. It's equal to 9 minus r square equal to 9 minus 25 minus r square equal to minus 16, r equal to plus or minus 4. The radius cannot be negative, so you can take it as the positive value. R equal to 4 centimeter. It is nothing but internal radius. Internal radius r equal to 4 centimeter. Find the thickness. What is the formula for thickness? Thickness equal to external radius minus internal radius, that is capital R minus small r. Capital R is 5 minus 4. So thickness equal to 1 centimeter. See the eighth sum. A hemispherical bowl is filled with a brim with juice. The juice is poured into a cylindrical vessel. Hemispherical bowl. Hemispherical bowl is filled with a juice. The juice is poured into a cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel. See, whose radius is 50% more than its height. Whose radius is 50% more than its height. If the diameter is same for both, bowl and the cylinder, if the diameter is same for both bowl and the cylinder, find the percentage of juice. Find the percentage of juice. See the radius of hemispherical bowl. Radius of hemispherical bowl. Hemispherical bowl equal to R. Can take it as R units. Volume of hemispherical bowl. Volume of hemispherical bowl. Hemispherical bowl equal to volume of hemispherical bowl equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. So you can convert it into what? Cylinder. At the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Height. At the height of cylinder. Cylindrical vessel. Height of cylindrical vessel. At the height of cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel equal to H units. Cylindrical vessel equal to H units. Radius equal to radius of cylindrical vessel. Radius of cylindrical vessel is nothing but what? Radius is 50% more than its height. 50 height plus percentage more means you can put a symbol for addition. Okay, more than its 50% of its height. Radius is 50. Radius is 50% more than its height. 50% more than its height. See, radius of the cylindrical vessel equal to, see, R equal to H plus 5 ones are 5 2s are 1 by 2 H. You can take the LCM. Radius R equal to 2H plus H by 2. It's nothing but what? 3H by 2 units. 3H by 2 units. From this you can find the value of H, height. Height R equal to 3H by 2. Height equal to 2R by 3. Height equal to, you can bring the 2 to the left side, become multiplication 2R by 3. Height equal to 2R by 3. See, volume of cylindrical vessel. Volume of cylindrical vessel. Volume of cylindrical vessel equal to, volume of cylindrical vessel equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square H. Pi r square, what is H? 2R by 3. It gives 2 pi r cube by 3. 2 pi r cube by 3. Volume of juice, volume of juice in cylindrical vessel, volume of juice in cylindrical vessel equal to volume of juice in cylindrical vessel, volume of juice in cylindrical vessel equal to volume of hemispherical bowl. What is the thing? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of juice in cylindrical vessel equal to volume of hemispherical bowl by volume of cylindrical vessel into 100. That is, you can convert into percentage. So it gives volume of juice in cylindrical vessel equal to 100% because the radius are same. Juice in cylindrical vessel equal to 100%. Volume of juice in cylindrical vessel equal to 100%. I hope you enjoyed, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.